Hello, I'm Senator Maggie Hassan. I'm sorry that I'm not with you for the National PFAS Conference, but thank you to everyone here for your advocacy and leadership on this issue. People in New Hampshire and across our region have led the charge in calling attention to PFAS contamination and fighting for the well-being of our friends and neighbors. And this work is essential. Parents shouldn't have to worry if their water is safe for their children when they turn on their faucet. But the reality is that too many communities have been exposed to contamination in drinking water sources from PFAS chemicals. We must continue focusing on efforts to both support affected communities and also prevent others from being exposed. As Governor of New Hampshire, I worked to address concerns around these contaminants by expanding access to blood testing for all affected citizens near the Pease Air Force Base in Portsmouth, and creating a task force to study a pediatric cancer cluster on the seacoast. In the Senate, I've co-sponsored numerous bills to build on this work, including legislation to require the EPA to create federal safety guidelines for PFAS and to establish maximum contaminant levels for certain chemicals to help clarify the safety and quality of drinking water from public water systems. I've also supported efforts led by Senator Shaheen to fund the first nationwide PFAS water contamination study and to create a database for service members and veterans who may have been exposed to PFAS. And I've called for stronger research efforts on the potential connection between PFAS exposure and pediatric cancer. We must continue working to ensure that the drinking water in communities across our nation is healthy and safe, and I'm eager to work with anyone who's committed to doing the same. Thank you again to everyone here for convening this conference. I am deeply grateful for your efforts.